I'm going to cut with the scissors.
You're watching Chef Club. Follow our account for more ideas.
I'm just gonna try and make a straight line, as straight as we can, around. Separate our can into 2 pieces. And I'm gonna come place them onto my baking sheet. I have one already prepared. I'm gonna take out this. And I'm going to pour in my cake batter. Look at that delicious cake batter. This is just chocolate cake batter. And I'm gonna give that a little stir. I'm just getting that all in there. Place to the side. We're gonna spray our mold with some non-stick spray. And now we're just gonna pour our cake batter into our beer can molds. We just wanna fill it about halfway. This, and our last one. Now for some extra flavor, I'm gonna come back and add in some cinnamon on top. Chocolate and cinnamon goes really well together. Now we're gonna take this to the oven. I'm gonna place this into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna pour in my melted white chocolate that we've colored green for this special occasion. Now I'm gonna come here and you just wanna turn the cups around. So we want to coat the inside of our cups really well. Once they're full, we're gonna take it and dip it into our ice water. And it should pop right out. We'll place this onto our plate like this and get our green colored cookie. We'll press that on. Now we can serve up our Baileys. A little shot in each cup, some whipped cream. And some green sugar. Don't think you can have too much green for this holiday. All right, we have our Jolly Ranchers here. We're gonna pour them into our pan. We're gonna leave that to melt. We're gonna give this a little stir. Some of our candies in here. So we're gonna bring this over here. We have our melted candies and we're gonna start doing like this. We're gonna get kind of like a very fine spun sugar. Now this one's finished. We're gonna come back, we're gonna gather it all up. Our chocolate Guinness cakes have cooled and now it's time to put everything together. We're gonna start by placing our leprechaun beards on the front of our cakes. Just want to press these into our cakes, cover the front. Now it's time for our hats. We're going to place his little nose right here in the middle.